What's up, money gang? These electric vehicle related stocks look like they're in big trouble, and I want to make a quick video to update you folks on the price action. So I'll be indicating my buys and sells based on my interpretation of the price action. And I want to first of all thank everybody who subscribed and left their stocks of interest in the comment section of my previous video. Please note, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. So let's get started by looking at Churchill Capital, ticker symbol CCIV. So in my last video where I covered CCIV, I called it a sell right around February 17th or 18th when I saw a shooting star. This is a reversal pattern, and since then the price has been tanking, and now it is below the 21-day exponential moving average on pretty high bear volume. I still maintain my sell, and I'm not looking to buy this anytime soon. Let's have a look at Nio. I called Nio a sell as well as soon as it broke the 21-day exponential moving average and the 50-day simple moving average on heavy volume. Since then, we have seen a hammer candle, which is a reversal pattern. The price seems to be moving up, but today we have this bearish engulfing candle, which does not look pretty. So as long as the price is under these two moving averages on heavy bear volume, I am not looking to reverse my decision to a sell. Moving on to Tesla. Tesla had a nice big up leg, got very overbought in the RSI, and since then consolidated in a bull flag. However, it did break down on heavy volume on February 22nd, which is when I called it a sell. Since then, the price did recover a little bit, forming a nice bullish candle here a couple of days ago. However, it's still under the moving averages. So this is looking quite bearish as well. Moving on to Xpeng. Xpeng had a nice little falling wedge. Price had a little touch here, touch. However, it did break on February 11th on pretty high bear volume, and now is below, well below these moving averages. So this is looking quite bearish to me. I would not want to buy this. Moving on to Li Auto, similar to Xpeng. It was in a triangular formation. Price was converging towards the apex. However, it did break down on February 19th on pretty high bear volume. So this is, again, it continues to be a sell. I am not interested in buying it. Please note that earnings are just around the corner. Oh, we actually did have an earnings, what's the date today, 25th? Yeah, we did have an earnings release. Really good earnings, but the price is still declining. So this is a bearish sign. Moving on to Workhorse, ticker symbol WKHS. Called it a sell on shooting star on February 10th. Since then, the price has been falling. It did consolidate sideways, however, formed a bearish flag, fell right through it, and is now well below the moving averages. This looks really bearish. This seems to be a small area of support. Hopefully the price recovers. I do see earnings coming up on March 1st. Hopefully the CEO has some positive things to say about this company and does a bit of damage control, but so far it is looking really bearish. Moving on to KNDI, Kandi Technologies Group. This one was a sell on November 24th on a bearish engulfing candle. Price fell through the moving averages, touched this line of support, which goes back as far as July of last year. As you can see, the price bounced off of this support line in June, bounced again in July, bounced again in November, bounced a couple of times in December. However, a couple of days ago, it fell right through it, which is quite bearish to see. I maintain my sell, and I'm not looking to buy this anytime soon. It's also below the moving averages. So all the indicators are showing a bearish future in the near term. Ticker symbol FUV. This is bearish again. We have a dark cloud cover candle right over here. Really big red candle on high volume. Since then, the price has been falling, sliced right through the moving averages, formed a hammer a couple of days ago. However, is still under the 50-day simple moving average. So I maintain my sell, and I'm not looking to buy this as well. Moving on to BLNK, blink charging. Similar to the previous one, has been falling below moving averages, is having a little bit of a bear pullback. This looks like a bear flag. Again, bearish. Moving on to Plug Power. Had a bullish pennant in the last couple of months. Price, bounced around a little bit in this triangle, fell right through on heavy bear volume. Boom, 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 boom. Has been falling. Bear pullback, fell again, bear pullback, and is now falling. This is a clear sell in my opinion. Moving on to Hyliion. So this one we could see a head and shoulders pattern right over here. As you can see, this is an M for murder. It has been falling, sliced right through the moving averages. That's when I called it a sell. And since then it has been falling right below the moving averages. However, this is a bullish sign. I am seeing a triangular formation over here. This is quite bullish. If we break past this upper trend line, then I would reverse my sell to a buy. But I do want to see that ideally on heavy volume for some added conviction. Fcel Sbe Energy. This is a buy as of yesterday. So I called it a sell when I saw this bearish engulfing candle. Price fell, sliced right through the moving averages. However, it did have a hammer candle. Very nice looking hammer candle a couple of days ago on heavy bull volume. That's when I reversed it to a buy, and since then the price seems to be above the 50-day simple moving average, which is another good thing to see. Last but not least, Switchback Energy. This is a sell, clear sell. This is a white trend line that I put over here. As you can see, it acted as an area of support. The price bounced off of it in December, January, at the end of January again. However, it did fell right through, touched the 50-day simple moving average, retested the support line, and bam, fell right through the moving averages. This is not looking too good. It is a sell in my opinion. I will wait to see if the price at least moves above the moving averages, and then I may think about reversing my decision. So overall, guys, the electric vehicle sector is looking really bearish to me, with the exception of fuel cell. Thanks for making it to the end of my live stream. If you'd like me to cover a stock in my next video, please leave it in the comment section below.